Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from June 18th. They just released version 1 of the video model. I think it's actually amazing, it's super fun, super fast, it's available to all the tiers. Although it is kind of expensive, apparently it's equivalent to 4 upscales. You can use high motion for when you want the camera to move, and low motion for a more stable camera. David said the team is working on a video upscaler. That is huge. Can't wait for that because right now it only generates at 480p, pretty low resolution. They're also working on a dedicated Niji video model, and a general update is coming for improved video quality. David said they're training a version 7.1 right now. He said they learned a lot while creating the video model and they think it can help the image model. He also said there is a small chance for omni-reference improvements. They're working on it, but no guarantees. They have some new servers coming online, and that means they will probably have a video turbo mode sometime soon. It might be 2 times faster, but they also might have an option to make it 6 to 8 times faster. That would be pretty crazy. As far as price goes, they need to make sure they're not losing any money before they lower the price even more. And after all this quiets down, they'll get back to working on 3D. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. The concept I gave to my community this week was simply a scene in a scene. Blank in blank. And this is what members of the Future Tech Academy came up with. I think some of these are absolutely unreal. I'm gonna go make a video on Midjourney video right now. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you again soon.